Papaya seeds provide a range of advantages that should be considered before throwing them away. While the fruit itself is commonly consumed, its seeds are often neglected. These seeds are rich in fiber, healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals like zinc, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Moreover, they contain monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids. The video highlights 7 primary health benefits of papaya seeds. 1. Weight loss. The fiber in papaya seeds aids digestion, regulates metabolism, and prevents excess fat storage, contributing to weight management. 2. Gut health. Papaya seeds contain carpane, which helps eliminate worms and bacteria in the intestines, promoting digestive health. The high fiber content regulates bowel movements. 3. Cholesterol reduction. The seed's fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels in the body, and the presence of oleic acid and monounsaturated fatty acids further reduces bad cholesterol. 4. Cancer risk reduction. Papaya seeds' polyphenols act as antioxidants, protecting the body against various types of cancer. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in vitamin C and compounds like alkaloids and polyphenols, papaya seeds have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially aiding conditions like arthritis and gout. 6. Menstrual pain management. Papaya seeds might help regulate estrogen-like hormones, potentially assisting in controlling menstruation and alleviating period pain. 7. Food poisoning treatment. Preparing and consuming a papaya seed extract can effectively combat bacteria responsible for food poisoning, such as Escherichia coli. Incorporating a tablespoon of papaya seeds into the daily diet can provide these benefits, but moderation is essential to avoid any adverse effects on weight. Papaya seeds demonstrate the potential to enhance overall well-being, and their inclusion in daily nutrition could have a positive impact on various aspects of health.